How to export your project from Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to export your project from Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open your Base44 account where your project is, and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen, and that will take you into the apps section. So in here, you'll find all of the applications you have on Base44. So click on the application that you want to export. And then once you're inside it, you'll find this code button at the left side of the share button. So from there, you'll be able to find the option to export your project to GitHub or export this as a zip file on your local device. So you just need to simply click on this export project as zip to export this project into your local device. And then as you can see, you need to upgrade your plan to be able to export this as a zip file. So you need to export as a builder, pro, elite, or enterprise Base44 user. So if you're planning to export your code on your local device, you need to upgrade your plan from free to this specific plans mentioned here. And that is how you can basically export your project from Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.